What if the next great leap in technology isn't something we strap to our wrists, but something that slips quietly onto our finger? Picture this, a ring so small you barely notice it, yet inside it, tiny sensors are constantly reading your heartbeat, tracking your sleep, measuring stress, and even letting you pay for coffee, all with a single motion. This isn't science fiction anymore, this is now. And some experts say this tiny device could soon make your smartwatch, maybe even your smartphone, obsolete. Today we're diving deep into smart rings, the wearable revolution that's smaller, smarter, and far closer to your skin than ever before. Because the next generation of wearable tech might just be jewelry. At first glance, a smart ring could pass for a designer accessory, but beneath that polished titanium or ceramic surface lies an engineering masterpiece. Inside are microsensors capable of detecting blood oxygen levels, temperature changes, heart rate variability, and sleep cycles, all from a space smaller than a coin. They don't just collect data, they interpret it. They learn your patterns, predict your stress levels, and sometimes even alert you before your body realizes something's off. It's like wearing a tiny lab, one that never sleeps, never forgets, and constantly keeps track of how you're doing. And while the tech is still evolving, one thing's becoming clear. We're heading toward a future where your ring knows you better than your doctor. Let's be honest, smartwatches are impressive, but they're not perfect. They're often bulky, need charging every night, and their flashy screens don't fit every outfit or occasion. For some people, wearing a smartwatch 24/7 feels intrusive, like a piece of tech that's always watching, always buzzing. Smart rings offer something completely different. They're discreet, comfortable, and always on. You can wear them to bed, to the gym, or even to a business meeting, and no one would even know it's tracking your health. Take the Oura Ring, for example. It weighs just a few grams, yet it's trusted by Olympic athletes, doctors, and even Hollywood actors for its astonishing accuracy. And with up to 7 days of battery life, it quietly beats most smartwatches in endurance. So maybe it's not just a fashion statement, maybe it's a glimpse at what's next. So how does something this small do so much? Let's open it up, figuratively of course. Smart rings use infrared photoplethysmography sensors, the same technology used in hospitals, to track your pulse through your skin. Accelerometers and gyroscopes detect motion, movement, and even subtle shifts in your posture. Tiny thermistors monitor your body temperature 24/7, helping predict illness before you even feel symptoms. All of that data syncs wirelessly to an app where artificial intelligence breaks it down into simple, digestible insights. Instead of just numbers, you get personalized feedback, how well you slept, how stressed you are, and even how ready your body is for the day ahead. It's not just a tracker, it's a mirror of your body's inner world. Right now, several major players are battling for the future of your finger. Oura Ring remains the leader, with a strong focus on health, recovery, and sleep. It's trusted by NASA, the NBA, and even used in medical research. Then there's Ultrahuman, a newer brand that integrates metabolic data like glucose and temperature to optimize performance. It's like biohacking, simplified. Circular takes a different approach, allowing real-time notifications and even haptic feedback directly through the ring. And while startups are innovating fast, the giants are watching closely. Samsung has already teased its upcoming Galaxy Ring, rumored to sync perfectly with Galaxy phones and watches. Apple has filed multiple patents for its own smart ring, one that could control your iPhone or AR headset with just a flick of your finger. And Meta is experimenting with rings that track hand movements for VR and AR experiences, essentially turning your fingers into controllers. The question isn't if the big brands will enter this space, it's when. This isn't just about tech, it's about what it means for us. Smart rings could make health tracking effortless. No screens, no distractions, just passive awareness. Imagine waking up and your ring already knows you didn't sleep well, adjusting your morning schedule and suggesting lighter tasks. Or picture this, you walk into your office and your ring unlocks your computer, sets the temperature, and starts your favorite playlist, all automatically. For athletes, it's a game changer. For patients, it could mean early detection of illness. And for the rest of us, it's convenience, comfort, and control, all in something smaller than your thumb. The future of wearables isn't about bigger screens, it's about smaller, smarter, and more personal technology. But no revolution comes without problems. Smart rings face 3 major hurdles: battery life, sensor limitations, and privacy. The smaller the device, the harder it is to pack in powerful components. That means fewer sensors, less storage, and a constant trade-off between accuracy and comfort. And then there's the question of data. Where does it all go? These rings collect your most intimate biometric information, your heart rate, your stress, your health. Who owns it? Can it be sold, hacked, or misused. We've seen what happens when apps misuse personal data. Now imagine that happening with your body's data. That's a future we'll have to handle carefully. Despite the challenges, one thing is certain: smart rings are not just a passing trend. We're entering an era where technology becomes invisible. No more bulky devices or flashing screens. Instead, seamless tools that blend into our lives so naturally we forget they're even there. In the near future, your ring could serve as your digital ID, your house key, your car unlocker, and even your wallet. And when combined with AR glasses, your smart ring might let you control digital interfaces in midair, literally turning gestures into commands. It's personal computing reborn. So yes, this tiny piece of metal and circuitry might just redefine how we connect with the digital world. So what do you think? Would you trade your smartwatch for something smaller, sleeker, and smarter? Or do you think this kind of tech is taking things too far, making our lives too connected? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of wearable tech, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. The future of technology isn't on your wrist anymore. It's right here on your finger.